Good evening, everyone. So, we are going to start in about a minute.
A very warm good evening and assalamu alaikum to everyone. Yesterday was a dream, tomorrow is a vision, but a day well lived make every yesterday a dream of happiness and every tomorrow a vision of hope. Carrying the same vision, I, Samiksha Agarwal, app developer at AMU RoboClub,
And I, Aradhya Bansal, social media manager at AMU RoboClub, on behalf of the entire AMU RoboClub family, heartily welcomes all of you to the Orientation Ceremony 2021 of AMU RoboClub, where innovation meets implementation.
it gives us immense pleasure to welcome our esteemed guest, Honorable Teacher in Charge of AMU RoboClub, Professor Ikram Khan, respected faculty advisors Anwar Sadar Sir, Mohammad Tariq Sir. We are highly honored that all of you are among us today, and we are indeed grateful for your gracious presence. It is always a morale boost for us.
Without taking much of your time, let us begin with our orientation ceremony. So, fasten your seatbelts tight because this is going to be an interesting ride. I would like to invite Faraz Iqbal, web developer at AMU RoboClub, to kindly welcome our enthusiastic audience with a few words.
Good evening, everybody. I extend a very warm greeting to all present here on this auspicious occasion. I, Faraz Iqbal, web developer at AMU Robo Club, welcome all the dignitaries of this priceless function today. Today, we have in our midst the Dean of ZCT, Professor Badrul Hassan Khan, our faculty in charge, Professor Imran Khan, Department of Electronics Engineering. I, on behalf of the entire AMU Robo Club, also welcome Professor Tariq, Department of Electrical Engineering, and Dr. Salim Anwar Khan, Department of Mechanical Engineering, to this orientation ceremony. I hereby welcome all the freshers, and I wish to congratulate each one of you, firstly for securing a place at this esteemed university. Your arrival at this university marks a new chapter in the story of your life. But this chapter will be a lot different than any previous ones. In this chapter, you are the head author of your life, the engineering life. While you are here at ZCET AMU, you will have the opportunity to learn new things, acquire new knowledge, develop new skills, and enhance your personal attributes. I'm glad specifying that AMU RoboClub is the platform where all your ideas will be valued and your innovations will definitely meet implementations. AMU RoboClub was established nearly a decade ago on 3rd May 2008. What was once planted as a sapling is now all grown into a large tree. Now, a blend of extraordinary and smart students from all corners of the country are part of this prestigious club. It is the hard work of the members and the constant support of our teachers and mentors because of which this club is reaching new heights every single day. A wise man once said, and I quote, Ideas are useless unless used. The proof of their value is in their implementation. We here at AMU RoboClub polish the knowledge through various activities and competitions that make us capable of competing with the latest technology all around the globe. Now, before leaving, I can assure each and every one of you that you are here because you deserve to be, and because you can bring something new and exciting to this diverse learning community. Last but not the least, I would like to thank all the respected dignitaries for extending their constant support towards AMU RoboClub. Thank you all.
Well, thank you, Faraz. Coming together is a beginning, keeping together is progress, and working together is success. Now it's time to introduce you to our extremely motivated core team members for the current session. Their skills and experiences have been a great asset to the club, and we ensure you that their helping nature will benefit you all too. So now let's get familiar.
Tariq Saeed. We would like to welcome Tariq sir, who has just joined. Thank you so much, sir, for joining. So now, what matters is not necessarily where you are at the end, but what you accomplish while you are trying along the way. Now let's have a look at the journey of AMU Robo Club and our plans for the future with a short video.
I'm in a sweet spot. I'm feeling good. The sun is shining. I knew it would. The world's a playground. I'm in the clouds. Let me show you what it's all about. Check it out. I'm gonna light it up. Yeah, I'm gonna light it up. Check it out. I'm gonna light it up. Yeah, I'm gonna light it up. Just check it out. I'm gonna light it up. Yeah, I'm gonna light it up. Let me show you what it's all about. Check it out. I'm on the big stage. I got my crew. I'll get you moving. It's what I do. The party's started. It's going down. Let me show you what it's all about. Check me out. Check me out. Just check me. Let me show you what it's all about. Check it out. I'm gonna light it up. Yeah, I'm gonna light it up. Check it out. I'm gonna light it up. Yeah, I'm gonna light it up. Just check it out. I'm gonna light it up. Yeah, I'm gonna light it up. Let me show you what it's all about. Check it out. I'm on the big stage. I got my crew. I'll get you moving. It's what I do. The party's started. It's going down. Let me show you what it's all about. Check it out. I'm gonna light it up. Yeah, I'm gonna light it up. Check it out. I'm gonna light it up. Yeah, I'm gonna light it up. Just check it out. I'm gonna light it up. Yeah, I'm gonna light it up. Let me show you what it's all about. Check it out. Check me out. Check me out. Just check me. Let me show you what it's all about. Check it out. I'm gonna light it up. Yeah, I'm gonna light it up. Check it out. I'm gonna light it up. Yeah, I'm gonna light it up. Just check it out. I'm gonna light it up. Yeah, I'm gonna light it up. Let me show you what it's all about. Check it out. I'm gonna light it up. Yeah, I'm gonna light it up. Check it out. I'm gonna light it up. Yeah, I'm gonna light it up. Just check it out. I'm gonna light it up. Yeah, I'm gonna light it up. Let me show you what it's all about. Check it out.
Wow, that gave us an immense pleasure watching that video. Isn't it, Samiksha?
Yes, of course. I love the video.
So what do you think, guys? Keep telling us in the chat box. So moving forward, let's begin with a quote. There's an old proverb. If you're in Rome, but to be like Romans, you must know who they are. So I would like to invite Sonal Gupta, Joint Coordinator at AMU Robo Club, to kindly give us a quick overview of the club and its activities, so that you all must know what club does the entire year.
Maybe there's some technical glitch. So really sorry for that, and please be patient. It will be resolved in a minute. Thank you.
We would like to welcome our founder, Mr. Abid. Abid bhai, would you like to say a few words about the club? Okay, all the queries will be entertained at the last of the orientation ceremony, and we will make sure to answer all the queries in the chat box also. Okay.
Well, particularly, there is no prerequisite knowledge to join the club. All you need is the passion and the will to learn.
Yes. Well said, Aradha.
Okay, so now Sonaldi is here. Let's begin with knowing more about club. I would like to hand over the mic to Sonal Didi.
Well, due to some technical glitch, maybe Sonali is not able to, she's not able to unmute her mic. So no worries. I would like to take upon the mic right now and take forward this whole session, this whole presentation. So, first of all, I welcome you all on behalf of AMU Robo Club, and I would like to tell you that right now, what you are going to listen, what you are going to see, will tell you about the history of AMU Robo Club and what we have done till now and where we have reached. So, the right question is, who are we? We are a student's body, and we are here to believe in innovation and implementation. As already told by Faraz, the AMU Robo Club was founded in 2008, and since then we have improved a lot and have involved in a lot of diverse topics and diverse activities, which you will be knowing about in the coming slides. Yeah, it's great to have you on board because you are the one who make this club a real essence of technology and diversity and a lot of things. So let's see what we have for you. Yes, first of all, we have weekly lectures. We have been organizing lectures on different topics in robotics, such as designing, fabrication, and yeah, programming. So we also do lectures on C++ programming, Python, where we will teach you the basics of each and everything and the embedded systems that you saw, like in the video itself, how those robots were able to move and able to compete in that competitions, right? So that you can also do yourself when you will come to know about each and everything. Even we will be teaching about some softwares like MATLAB, SolidWorks that are of much, much importance. Also, here's a glimpse of how our workshops look like. Well, this is a scene when COVID was not there. So nowadays, the lectures will be shifted to an online mode, and we have already we have already done a lot of sessions with our previous alumni. So let us see what we have ahead. Yes, workshops. We have different workshops such as 3D modeling and drafting, web development, PCB designing, and a lot more. Here's a glimpse of the same. You can see that these people are learning about SolidWorks in the right slide, and in the left slide, they are learning about some programming topics. While we do have exhibitions where the club's projects are displayed to various guests and alumni of our college. And here's a glimpse for the same. So, a lot of guest lectures have been organized when before COVID, and they have been organized even after COVID too. So, here's a glimpse of how Mohammad Shadab Alam sir and Amir Kutub sir have organized their own guest lectures, and Dr. Abdul Amir Hayat and Mr. Safdar Kazim Haider. Similarly, Ali Shazan Gulreza and Faraz Ahmad also joined us in their guest lectures. Well, everything doesn't end here because everyone needs a guidance, right? And that guidance is provided in the form of summer mentorship in AMU Robo Club. We organize summer mentorship to make the summer a vacation technical. Okay, so virtual presence was made under the mentorship of our alumnus, Mr. Faraz Ahmad, in summer 2018, and projects such as Humanoid Bot was developed under our mentor, Professor Ikram Khan, who is in the Department of Electronics Engineering. So here is a summary of our proposed plan. Weekly classes, yes. Regular workshops, yes. Guest lectures, competitions, projects under professors that you will be coming to know about in the upcoming slides. Now, I would like to invite our Masbin Asad, another core team member, to take forward this slide and tell you about club's achievements.
Yeah, thank you, Apoorv. Hello, everyone. I'm Masbin Asad, and I'm volunteer at AMU Robo Club team. So, as far as achievements are concerned, AMU Robo Club has achieved fascinating ranks, right, in various renowned competitions. So, first of them being the ABU Robocon. So, I would say ABU Robocon is one of the most important, or more precisely, biggest competition pertaining to robotics. And in this competition, we have most recent team achieved AIR 22 out of 130 plus teams all over India. And in 2019, we achieved AIR 12 in round two of the same competition. And we have also achieved the MATLAB appreciation certificate. So MATLAB is basically a simulation software that is used to test the robotic designs, right, before implementing them. So this is also quite important thing. So below are some of the snapshots of the teams that were part of ABU Robocon 2020 and ABU Robocon 2019 respectively. So the next competition being the Smart India Hackathon. So what happens here is some companies provide you the problem statements and that you need to solve using technologies. Two teams from AMU Robo Club in the same year attained attained top three ranks. Right? One of them was declared the winner, and the second one was declared the second runner-up in the competition. So this is interesting. The next one being the Technician. So Technician is basically the yearly contest organized by IIT Delhi. So it's more precisely an event that is composed of multiple contests, namely RoboWar, Micromouse, and RoboRace, as you can see on the screen. And we have also achieved fascinating ranks here as well. We have also been the semi-finalists in the RoboWar competition of the same event. So the next one being the Technici, that is organized by IIT Guwahati. The team Vajra consisting of 5 students also got the AIR 3 in 2018. As you can see in the right side of the slide, here is our team and above is the trophy that they got. So UDC. UDC is basically the challenge organized by ST Microelectronics, right? So we have been participating in this competition consistently for over 3 years, right? These are our participations in various competitions. And the following competitions I will be discussing on are organized by AMU Robo Club itself. The first one being the Big Q. So Big Q has been organized thrice by AMU Robo Club. Right. So as you can see the certificate and poster in the right side of the slide. The next one being the Robo Voyage. So Robo Voyage is also a combination of multiple contests like Robo Dangal and Robo Quiz and the Water Rocket Championship. So, these are the snapshots of 2018, by the way. This is the Robo Voyage 2018 team that was involved in organizing and participating in the Robo Voyage. The next one being the LFR competition. So LFR simply means the line follower robot. So what we do is we design a robot that follows certain line using automation without the interaction of humans. So in the right side of the slide, you can see some of the bots that are following the lines, right? Using some sensors or AI or whatever you want to use, right? Without human interruption. These are from 2017 snaps. So these are our other achievements. I hope these all achievements are enough to motivate you to work yourself towards something like this, right? So I'm sure you might be wondering like how these things are processed, how these achievements are processed inside the club. So for that, Apurv will be discussing on how projects are made and what kind of projects have been done so far in the club. Uh, Apurv, you can take on the further slide.
Thanks a lot, Mars. That was great listening to the achievements of AMU Robo Club. And I'm damn sure that each and everyone here must be enthused by this amazing slides and amazing knowledge about what are the different competitions you can take part in. So before going ahead, I would like to quote, "Passion is energy. So feel the power that comes from focusing on what excites you. So take your passion ahead and do something innovative." This was the motive, this was the notion of each and everyone here at AMU Robo Club who made these projects. Projects are not only what we make during a particular competition, you can also make projects when you are a part of the club. Maybe for your final year projects or maybe for the purpose of learning. So here are the glimpse of some projects such as app control wheelchair. Yes, it is the same wheelchair that you see maybe daily or maybe sometime, but yes, you can use it with an app. This is interesting. The next is surveillance drone that you had already seen in the welcome video. And other is the automatic drunken drive avoiding system. Next is the home automation using IoT. So IoT is an abbreviation for Internet of Things. So here you control these particular lights without any human interruption. And the other is the most interesting project, that is automatic lighting and accident detection system that can reduce a lot of accidents that take place on a daily basis, maybe on a highway or on a road. And this particular project got an international recognition by the NASA scientists. Well, the another one is RFID working based on RFID working principle. So it is RFID smart lock. And some other are the GSM based intruder alarm that can detect whether there is some maybe robbery in a particular jewelry shop or somewhere else. And the other is the phase detection based electricity control and autonomous electroplating station. And here are some of the other projects that have been made under club. And it will not stop here because we have endless projects that have been made under club during this span of years. So let us see what we have next. Yes, the patents. Can you imagine yourself like you have made something innovative and you get a patent of it that world recognizes about you, that this particular person has made this particular thing or innovated this particular thing. So such particular things have been made by the previous alumni, such as athletic timekeeping device, smart cane, app control wheelchair, gyratory piezogen, Prisma wipe, and many more. So it is important that whatever you do should get a shout out. So Riobo Club keeps a track of each and everything and takes care that you get the perfect shout out that your hard work needs. So we give shout out on not only on our social media sites but also in the news. And you can see here some of the news cuttings, snapshots of the news cuttings that of the previous achievements of club. Well, the pillars of our club, they are the ones, our alumni, who keep us motivated, who help us, and they help us grow in each and every instance of life. So here are some of the alumni. You can see Mr. Abid Mohammad Kamaluddin, Mohammad Umair, Anand Agrawal, Harshit Vashne, and Arif Jamal, who have done a considerable work while being a part of AME Robo Club. And they are now at various top positions. And here are some of the alumni, such as Harshul Vashne, who was an ex-coordinator of AME Robo Club from 2008 to 2009. Harshul Gupta, who was ex-coordinator from 2019 to 2020. Kapil Srivastav, ex-coordinator 2019-20, and she is doing AmTech at IIT Delhi. Aman Gupta, ex-coordinator 2019-20. He is a gold medalist in diploma engineering. And Amir Hayat, Dr. Amir Hayat, who is a research fellow at SUTB MIT, International Design Center. Well, obviously, we have some sponsors too who help us give the funding we require to go into different competitions and compete with the teams worldwide. Here are some of our sponsors that you can see, and more are joining the list pretty soon. So now is the time that I will do a short tour of different social websites of AME Robo Club, and you can see how you can connect to us and stay updated. Well, the website and the app of the AME Robo Club will be soon revealed to you in a short time. But before that, I will show you other social sites of AME Robo Club. So here you can see this is the Facebook page of AME Robo Club. I would like any of our team member to share the link of the same in the chat box so that you can view that later on. Every event's announcement or some shout out is posted here in this particular page. Then you can also follow us, connect with us on LinkedIn. I guess most of you might be on LinkedIn right now. And yeah, here also we keep on posting about the regular updates. Then this was our Instagram page where you can find the post of recent activities, recent competitions, and also we post a weekly competition that is in a form of Instagram story where you need to answer a particular quiz. The one who answers correctly is given a shout out here too. Yes, this is interesting. So if you ever want, if you just need to know more about us, I will recommend you to come here at AME Robo Club's YouTube channel, where you can find all the videos of our previous event, the competitions, the robots we made, and how they worked in the competition itself. Here you can also find recordings of our previous guest lectures, plus a lot of other things. So this was a short tour of the social sites that we have. Yes, now I'm sure that it's the time to tell you about that you can also become a member. Yes, you can become a part of the team and do this really interesting stuff. So, till last year, one could register for a span of 1 year at rupees 150, but now you can register for the span of 2 years at rupees 200. So, how to register and how to get involved in AMU Robo Club, that will be soon discussed by the app and web team. So, let's move ahead. You can visit us at Workshop 18, Mechanical Workshop Shed, CSCT, Aligarh Muslim University. I will damn recommend you to please visit our club and see how different projects are made and how we work together to build a particular bot or some particular project. Now, I would like to hand over the mic to the host and take leave from you all. I hope that you all now have got an idea of AMU Robo Club and its history and how we have reached so far. So, thanks a lot, everyone.
First of all, I would like to welcome Anwar Sadat sir, Faculty Advisor of AMU Robo Club, to joining. Thank you so much, sir. Moving on. Thank you, Apurva and Maz. I'm sure you made it clear what all AMU Robo Club has to offer.
Definitely.
After having a look at the PPT and video, are you guys excited to know more about the club? Do share your views in the chat box. As we all know, this year gave all of us a hard time. Even during this period, our team denied to settle for less. During the lockdown, our only savior was internet, the social media handle, various apps, and wondrous websites, which helped us to get along with our life. Amy Robo Club too realized the importance of online networking and worked on its social handles.
So what do you think, guys? What would have been done to keep moving? What do you think our club would have done it? Any guesses? Share it in the chat box, please.
What do you think we would have done during this lockdown when everything was closed and we could not move to the club also?
Netflix and chill would have been a great idea, but no, we wanted to do something for the club. So, well, I guess nobody has any idea. Let me tell it to you. We worked on our mobile application and website. Since this lockdown taught us what internet is, the importance of websites, so we worked on those. So now it's time to get more techie and introduce you to the club's website and mobile application. I request Rishabh Sharma, app developer at AMU Robo Club, and Vidita Agrawal, volunteer at AMU Robo Club, to demonstrate and make us familiar what our new app and website looks like.
Thank you, Aradhya. Hello, everyone. Myself, Rishabh Sharma. I'm a pre-final year computer engineering undergraduate. We have developed totally new, full of features, and our own AMU RoboClub Android app this year. Now, let me present it to you all. So, without wasting any time, let's start with the demo part. So this is the onboarding screen. You will be seeing first time you will be installing the app. We have a number of exciting events waiting for you guys. So mark your calendars and be ready to participate in them. Then next, our seniors have developed tons of projects. You can find all of them here at your fingertips. As we know, this pandemic has taught us the importance of the digital world. So here we have a tutorial section for you all. Let's get started. Okay, so this is our home screen. This is the event screen as well. As you can see here, you can see three types of event: future events, upcoming events, and the past events. All the events will be notified here. You can here are the event details, date marked, time of the event, and the location at which the event gonna take place. You can also register for the event if it requires. For example, you need to require for the workshops, so you can register directly from the app. You need not to go anywhere else. Here is the notification section. All the notifications from the club will be sent here. You can just check out the notification like this. All the links will be provided attached with the notifications as shown. Tutorials, contributors, admin panel, feedback, and about us. So let's have a look at them one by one. So here you can see we have two kind of projects, completed project and the ongoing projects. All the completed projects will be available here. Right now we have dummy data here. We will soon be fulfilling this with the actual data. You can look into our projects, the posters and the pictures related to the projects, the date at which completed, description regarding projects. We do create reports regarding the project, so you can directly view our reports related to that project. You can also check out the project if it is hosted somewhere else. For example, our website is hosted, so we will be providing link to that here. This is our ongoing project section. You can monitor the progress of every project which is going on under the club, like this one. Here we are mentioning everything is same as of previous, just progress section is different. You can also visit the team. Here we have mentioned the team who have developed this project and worked on it. We have provided the LinkedIn profile of the team members, so you can easily get connected to them and can explore yourself like this. Moving ahead, here's a team section. Here we will be filling it with various kind of teams we are having in AME Robo Club, like faculty, core team, Robocon team, Abu Buwais team, and various more. You can check out the profiles of team members by just going to the team section and clicking on the person you want to visit profile, like this. Here's a small profile related to the person. Here are the social media handles if you want to connect, and the information related to that person, team member. Moving towards tutorial section. As I have mentioned earlier, everything is going online due to the pandemic. So we have also taken care of you. We have provided our YouTube tutorials here in our mobile app itself. So you need not to go anywhere else. Everything is present in the mobile itself. Just install our app and you will be finding everything you need. You can easily pick any video like this and can start playing it.
बता था क्लियर हो जाएगी, क्लियर हुई और मैकेनिकल.
Next is our contribution section. We are because of our contributors. Here are a few of the contributors who have contributed to our club and help us to progress and make our projects. These are the various contributors present. You can check them out here and also contribute to us if you want. This is the admin panel. This area is not for the normal users. This is only for the faculty and the core team members. So you will not be able to log in here. This is the feedback section of the app. We all want you to give us feedback and your valuable suggestions. We will be taking them all. So feel free to provide us feedbacks here. About us. As it is already mentioned about us in the PPT, in the video, and in various speeches. So here's the about us section of our app. You can just check out our social media handles. You can see developers, and you can also visit us. If you want to see our location, you feel like you are not able to point where AME Robo Club is. So feel free to go into app and search for AMU Robo Club. We have already pointed out here. So do visit us. You can check out our website by clicking on this logo icon as well. Okay. I'm sure you all wants to have this in your phones. We will soon be launching this our app on the Play Store. Now I would like to hand over mic to my co-teammate Vidita. Thank you.
Thank you, Rishabhaya. Hello, everyone. My name is Vidita Agarwal. I'm a volunteer at AMU Robo Club. I will be making you familiar with some of the important sections of AMU Robo Club's website. So, guys, this is the homepage of AMU Robo Club, where what AMU Robo Club does and how it functions is mentioned. And I think we have talked a lot about it, a little bit. Then the current session coordinators, some intro about a college and university. Then here is the location of AMU Robo Club in the campus. And on the side cards, we have the information about the events or the latest sessions which AMU Robo Club organize. And to know about it or explore the information about the sessions, we have the news section. News, or we could say the update regarding the AMU Robo Club. This is the information which is about the guest lectures, one of the guest lectures which AMU Robo Club conducted. And the following, we have other events and Codigo which AMU Robo Club organized. You could have a look. Now, moving on to the next one and the exciting one. Project section. Here we have past projects which have been completed under club by alumni. You have seen the projects in PPT, but if you want to see it in little detail, like what is the approach, tools and softwares, and which microcontrollers used, you can visit here. You can see all of the info is available here. You can even know the names who have created this wonderful project so that you can approach them if you really find it fascinating or eager to know about the project, or it could help you in any of yours. So you could contact them. And then we have a team section. Firstly, our faculty advisors who have been guiding us for so long. Then our coordinators, joint coordinators, developers, web and app both, and then volunteers. If you want to help in any specific section, like maybe OpenCV or embedded system, you can see the profile. Like you will get to know the proficiency of the person, and then you can contact them. Like in resume, they have the projects which they have done. They could be really helpful to you too. And then moving on to the next, we have Robocon section. As you know, we have talked in PPT too, that Robocon is one of the biggest events in ZHCT. Because this is an international event. You could have a look to this. What is the theme in 2018? How AMU Robo Club tackles it. Everything about it. Then RoboVoyage 2, you could see the info here. And then comes one of the most important section, that is the inventory section. I think you will be visiting it often. Guys, this is a sample inventory because the latest inventory will be updated when the college reopens. Like here you can see the microcontroller, sensors, or wire section. But in the updated one, we would be having numerous sections like mechanical tools containing might be Allen keys and soldering station, and obviously components like controllers, drivers, and everything else. You could get them issue. Like if you could see that all of the working ones are not allotted, then you can apply for issuance from here only when the college reopens. But for the issuance of club items, the most important part is that is membership of the club. So talking about the membership, I would like to hand it over to Rishabh Bhaiya.
Thank you, Vidya. Let me quickly walk through form fields. As you can see, guys, here is the name, email address, mobile number, WhatsApp only. Provide your WhatsApp number, course in which you are enrolled, that is engineering or diploma, faculty number, and enrollment number. When you submit this form, you will receive a mail with the payment details. Then you have to proceed with the payment, and once the payment is verified, then you will again receive a confirmation email. Then you will be registered for as a member. That second email will confirm you as a member. Okay. As shown earlier, our original registration charges are 150 per year, but this year, due to COVID, our team has decided to provide 2-year membership for only 200 rupees. That is membership for this remaining session plus next session together. You all must be thinking, why registration? We provide, the registration is important because we provide tools and components for your projects, weekly lectures and time-to-time workshops, summer mentorship, and we will be providing full-time support and guidance to all of you. Hope you all are pumped up to join us, and so we are. Start registering right away after this orientation. Thank you all.
Thanks a lot, Rishabh and Vidita, for giving us a thorough and brief introduction about the website and app. Now, I would like to call upon Ikram Khan. I am profusely overjoyed to take the opportunity to now invite a very talented and hardworking personality of ZSCT and the one who is an inspiration for all the young generations, the backbone and the teacher in charge of AMU Robo Club, Professor Ikram Khan, to kindly enlighten us with his words.
Hello, am I audible to you all?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So I'm sorry for being joining you late. Initially because of the network connection, and then before that I was busy in some meeting related to the NAC of the university. So my apologies with everyone, with the organization, as well as all those who have joined. Before I start, let me welcome you all the newly admitted students in the Zakir Hussain College of Engineering and Technology. Though it is a late, but anyway, you are lucky enough to join the college, at least even in the pandemic period, and you are among the few selected. So I will congratulate you all. Then coming back to the activities of the Robo Club, I'm sure that by now you might have already gone through most of the activities which the club organizes. It is a club of the students, run by the students, for the benefit of the students. So there are, in fact, you will find plenty of the activities related to the electronics, electrical, computer, mechanical, and civil, covering almost all the discipline, including the chemical and petrochemical students also. And the students will get trained in the area of the embedded systems. So the club provides the basic training as well as the advanced training to all the members through the activities, classes, hands-on training, and all this. The club is completing almost 13-14 years by now, and in last more than 1.5 decades, the club has grown tremendously. We started with a very modest few members only, few dedicated members, I will say, and then now almost every year more than 100-150 students are joining the club. So today it is one of the largest club in the Zakir Hussain College of Engineering Technology that is run by the students. We regularly participate. We encourage the students to participate in the international events and the national events being organized in the area of the robotics throughout the within the countries. We support as much as we can. Even our mentors will help you. We have many of the alumni also, they are get connected here, and they feel proud to train our newly admitted students. So we are a bridge. The club is a bridge among those who have already passed out and they are in the professional career now, and to those who are likely to join that group. So you can see the club is a link between these two class of the people, the one who has already been established in their career and the one who are likely to be established in the near future. So with these few words, because I know that we are running short of the time, in during this disturbed period even, I'd like to congratulate the organizers that they managed to organize such activities. Even the classes are going on regularly. Some of the activities, whatever is possible without any physically coming to the club, are still being going on. So you all can benefit from these activities. Our dedicated volunteers, the joint coordinators and the coordinators, I would like to congratulate them for organizing these such activities, and I think this is the beginning. Though only 4 or 5 months is left in this session, but still there a lot can be done. The club may be entering in some collaboration with some of the industries also. We love to work with that, and maybe in the near future some more collaboration may occur. We are working for that, but there are a lot of the uncertainties, as you all knows, and but even within that uncertainty we have to work on it. So with these words, I welcome you all to the in the club, and thank you all for joining this event, and my apologies once again for joining you late. Thank you very much. Probably I have missed more than you. Thank you very much.
Well, thank you, sir. It was an honor from hearing from you. That was really an inspiring speech. Thank you for your words of wisdom.
Now, moving on. The success of every organization is the hard work and determination of its leaders. A leader plays an important role in guiding the team members and motivating them to stay focused. So now I would hand over the mic to coordinators of AMU Robo Club. First, we would like to invite Mr. Atul Deep Yadav.
Thank you, Samiksha, for calling me. So before starting, with due respect to our faculty advisor, Professor Ikram Khan sir, and all the faculty members of AMU Robo Club, with the entire team of AMU Robo Club, and without whose this orientation would not have been successful. So I would like to share my story how I joined AMU Robo Club. So I joined AMU Robo Club 3.5 years back. So at that time I was having civil engineering as my main branch. So in the initial days of work I realized that I was more interested in machine designing and robot designing. So I got converted myself into mechanical engineering. So this is how I got into mechanical engineering. So basically, like talking about AMU Robo Club, AMU Robo Club is not a place where you learn only the technical stuff. It is more than that. You will make friends not only with your club mates but also with the extraordinary alumni and teachers and mentors which will be mentoring you. Their guidance will help you become better and much aware about the current technical qualities required outside the college. So as your senior, I would like to advise you all to join AMU Robo Club and witness the difference in yourself in the next 3 to 4 years. So at last, I would say thank you and all the best for your future. Thank you.
Thank you, Atul Bhaiya, for sharing your amazing journey with us. I'm sure we look upon to your advices. Next, I would like to call upon our another coordinator, Mr. Rajneesh Sharma, to enlighten the young minds with his experiences throughout the club.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, Bhaiya, you are.
Yeah. Hello, all of you. And first of all, I would like to thank all our faculty members and faculty in charge and charges for supporting us throughout the journey of AMU Robo Club. And congratulations to all of you for admission in BTech. I am Rajneesh Sharma, finally a computer engineering undergraduate, and I am the coordinator of AMU Robo Club. And well, first of all, I'll thank you all of you to hold up to at this point, up to this point in this meeting, and see why we are here. We as a team are here for the motivation of you guys, for to motivate you guys, and also to help you gain better skills. And if we talk about, as Atul also talked about his journey, well, I won't take much of your time, but what a club basically teaches you is not only one thing, that is technical. If you are connected with any club, be it Robo Club or be it any other club, so there are several things that you learn. And if we talk about the technical, and in the specifics of a technical, you learn coding, that is programming, and you learn how to approach a solution, how to design a solution. And if we talk about the managerial things, that how can you propose a project, how can you define the timeline of a project, how can you approach to a solution. And I mean, there are several things that you can learn in a club. And for these things you have to be around the people. You must have people around yourself, so that you can coordinate with them, you can get new ideas and all those things. So it is just my suggestion that try to be a part of any club, be it Robo Club or be it any other club, but try to be a part of it and explore the best of yourselves. Okay, since these things are online, so it is better to first of all explore this online session, see that what AMU Robo Club has for you. We have an amazing app for that, so that you can simply just turn on your phone and open the app, see the tutorial section. If you have some question regarding anything, maybe mechanical design or maybe computer programming, you have a plethora of those seniors and you can directly contact them. Okay, so we are basically minimizing the bridge between the seniors and juniors. So at last, I'll just like to say that we all are excited to be for you to be a part of AMU Robo Club. Thank you.
Thank you so much to both of our coordinators, Mr. Atul Deep Yadav and Mr. Rajneesh Sharma. So now I would say, I believe that our team is in a minority when others complain about having problem with their captains. We are very fortunate to have great captains who understand, support, and lead the way through every obstacle, just like a friend. You guys are truly a gem of a person and definitely great leaders.
At last, but not the least, I feel honored to take this opportunity and thank you all for your potential listening. With your unwavering attention, you guys have been a great audience, trust me. I would like you all to know that the entire AMU Robo Club is here to support, sustain, and encourage you as you commit to studying at ZZCAT. We could not be more privileged to welcome you into this vibrant learning community. It is you who make us what we are, and we look forward to the fresh ideas and energy you bring to the club. So now let's wrap up the ceremony with a quick question answering session. If you guys have any doubt regarding the club, feel free to ask it in the chat box.
So guys, you can ask your queries in the chat box.
Yes, Harshita, you can still join the club. If you don't have enrollment number, do one thing. Any of all of you who have this same query, do one thing. Just simply text any one of the JCs of our club, and they'll coordinate with you and they'll help you to get your registration. Okay. and you can find the contact of any of the JC from the website. One of at the team, please one of you can post the link here. Do we all have to pay 2000? Yeah, it is basically the membership fee only. If you want to be a registered member of this club and want to get all the benefits of this club, like the workshops in which we teach web development, mechanical designing, or Proteus, MATLAB, there are several things. So if you want to enjoy those things for free, so in that case, what you can do is you can simply register for AMU Robo Club.
The next question is, what is the process to join Robo Club, and is it open to all branches?
Yeah, what is the procedure? So procedure has been already told. You can simply go to this website, https://amuroboclub.in, and there you will find an apply section. Simply go to that section and fill in the form. If you have any query regarding to what should we fill in that form, simply text a JC or contact a JC or any volunteer. You have the list of whole team. You can contact any one of them and they'll help you. Simply register that. You will get a confirmation mail of filling the form, and in that mail you'll get a QR code or maybe a UPI ID for the payment. And once you have done the payment, you'll get another mail regarding the confirmation of your registration.
इसका ना अभिषेक कुमार का.
I hope your question is answered, Mohammed Noor Alam. Now moving on to the next question. It's by Ritik Ballab. Can we visit the Robo Club physically before university opens?
Hello, Kritik. Since we are having a number of cases, since the number of cases are increasing nowadays, so not right now, but when the university reopens, so basically you can visit the Robo Club anytime and any day.
Moving on to the next question. Is there any coding background required to join AMU Robo Club?
No, Sunny, there isn't any prerequisite for joining AMU Robo Club. What you should have is the zeal to work here, and if you are active, trust me, this team is going to help you a lot. You'll be learning A to Z of technicalities. So it's just your zeal to learn, and there is no prerequisite. We'll be taking care of all those things.
Okay, so next question is by Mohammed Sham. After enrolling, when are the workshops going to start?
Hello, Mohammed Sham. See, basically, when you will get the membership, we'll make a new WhatsApp group and we'll inform you about all the workshops that will be happening then. For now, what I can tell you is that from 7th of March, we are having our weekly classes. So do join them. Okay, thank you.
So now the next question is from Satyam Kumar. Does Robo Club fund projects related to robotics, or do we have to fund ourselves?
Hello, Satyam. See, funding and all those things are basically managed by the faculty in charges, that is the teachers. So we cannot guarantee that. But once you are a registered member and you have completed a proposal and you have complete idea of the project, what you can do is you can simply talk to either us or to the faculty in charges, and if they are interested to fund your project, it might be funded, but there is no complete surety of that. So I hope I have answered your question.
Okay, so another question by Mohammed Noor Alam. What about the fees and how many?
Dear Mohammed Noor Alam, we have already informed about the fees, so please check it out. And in case you have missed the session, please watch the recorded session on YouTube, on our YouTube channel. And the fees is 200 rupees, and it will be valid for this year and the next year. But in case you have missed the session, please do check out the recorded session on YouTube. Thank you.
So the next question is, on what days are the classes conducted, and what would be the time? Because we have other classes too.
कर देंगे इसे।
Sorry, on what days? Dear Mohammed Saqib Masood, we will be, as I have told, that we will be making a WhatsApp group for the registered members, and we'll share the timings and the dates. Date I have shared already, that classes are going to be held from 7th of March, and timings we'll share on the WhatsApp group. Thank you.
Okay, so next question is, can freshers become the part of our ongoing projects, of your ongoing projects?
Yeah, sure. Freshers can become the part of our ongoing projects, but for that there is a prerequisite that whatever the project is and whatever is the tech stack, you should be at least familiar with that. And but before that, the very first thing is that you get yourself registered, and after that, attend the classes. Talk to the club members. First of all, basically, you have to be familiar with this club, and after that, you can be a part of our project.
Okay, he's also asking about the ongoing projects, currently ongoing projects in the club.
As soon as you'll get the classes, you'll soon came to know about the projects and all, because we cannot cover each and everything in the session. So still there are projects people are working on, either apps or specific development projects, and some are working on the mechanical design projects. So there are several things that are currently going on. So but before that, you have to be a part of club.
Okay, another question is, how many international competitions has club participated in and won?
Mr. Sunny Verma, good evening. See, club has participated in many international competitions. Recently, it has been ABU Robocon 2020. So I would like you to check out our website or the app for more information, and you will check out various competitions there as well. So do check out. Thank you. Also, Aradhya and Samiksha, if you could open the slide about the registration fees, it would be better.
Okay, Bhaiya, doing it. Next question comes, do you teach coding for beginners, and how long does it take?
Yeah, we do teach coding for beginners. We have a proper schedule and syllabi for that. So once you get yourself registered, you'll soon get the proper schedule about the classes and the classes timings, the classes date, and from that you can get to know that what will be the time duration of you going from A to Z of that coding language. So yeah, just be patient. You'll soon realize all those things. You'll get all those things.
Please feel free to ask any queries. Coming up, the next question, can I be a member for more than one club at a time?
I think you have missed out the question from Harshita. The question was where we have to register to be a part of club. Harshita, you can visit our website, which is amuroboclub.in. So there you will have a section called apply, and there you can register as a member. And the next question, which is from Muhammad Adil, can I be a member for more than one club at a time? See, Adil, it's your choice, but what I would say is to focus on one thing. If you want to be a part of robotics, so join our club. If you want to do another thing, join another club, but be involved in any one thing. Be focused on any one thing. Okay, I hope it answers your question. Thank you.
So the next question is by Sunny Verma. Which is more important for RoboClub, C++, Java, or Python?
Hey Sunny, I think you are too excited to be a part here. See, I already told that for being a member in RoboClub or being a part of RoboClub, no specific language is necessary. You have to have that zeal in mind, and you have to be that excited, and you have to be that active. And once you are in your part of club, you won't be only doing C++ or Java or Python. Okay, you will be doing a lot of things. You will be doing C++, C, Python, Java, JS, and all those things. But first, attend the class. We'll be starting the classes, and you'll once you get yourself registered, you'll soon get the schedule, and from that you'll soon realize that okay, we are teaching C, we are teaching C++ or Java. So just be patient, and first of all, the most important thing is that you get yourself registered.
Well, here you can look at the slide, how to become a member of AMU Robo Club.
And all the fees related
Queries. I think most of the queries are answered now.
Guys, if anyone of you have any more query, what you can do is you can simply email us at amuroboclub@gmail.com. Or if you want a better communication channel, so in that case you can contact any one of the team member of our team. Okay, so you will definitely get your query resolved. Or if you want to talk about any of the project or any of the technology, or you have any other query regarding either academics or anything else, you can simply be in touch with us. And yeah, there is one more link that has been shared. If anyone still have any query, you can ask. Yes, you can register today, right after this session. And yes, one more thing, that when you register, you will get the confirmation mail within the 24 hours. So don't get hyper if you don't get the email immediately. Okay, you'll get the confirmation mail within 24 hours. So yeah.
There is another question from Mohammad Adil. As of your personal experience, what can be the better choice for a mechanical student to get enrolled in?
Hello. Hello. Dear Adil, see, I'm finally a mechanical engineering student, and as I have mentioned earlier, that I was initially taking up civil engineering in my first year, and then when I joined AMU Robo Club, I experienced that I have more interest in designing stuff like machines and robots and other stuff. So then I decided to go for mechanical engineering, and as of now I can say that it is the best experience that you can get in any of the clubs. So I would suggest you to join as your senior, and that is from my side.
So the next question is, what is the last date for registration, and will the registration link work only once, or we can register anytime?
Yeah, there is no last date for registration, but the thing is that as soon as you get the registration, you get yourself registered. So the more sooner you will get the schedule for the classes, and the more sooner you will be knowing about all the insights of AMU Robo Club and all the events of AMU Robo Club. So and yes, the link won't work one time, but you can only register a single time. Okay, there are no duplicacies that can be stored. So you only have one chance to register. So if in case you have done your registration wrong, you might contact with any team member and they'll get your query resolved.
Taking up the next question, will we be also learning coding in AMU Robo Club?
Yes, you will be learning a lot of things. Just not just coding, but still a lot of things.
Okay, another question by Himanshu Singh. How can we pay the fees?
I think I have already mentioned that thing, that for the fees, first you have to register, and after that you will get a confirmation mail, and in that mail you'll get the details of how to pay the fees. So first of all, fill the form, and wait, I am just again sharing the form link. This is the form. You just fill the form. Soon you'll get a confirmation mail, and in that mail we would send you the payment details, that how can you pay. Okay, and from that you can pay that fees, and you'll get again a confirmation mail. Don't worry, if once you join the WhatsApp group, you'll get this details also.
So if there are no more queries, we can wrap up the session. Or if anyone want to ask anything, we can. Okay, another question. So can you please tell me how did you change your branch to mechanical, and is it easy for mechanical engineering student to get into robotics?
Dear Sunny, uh, see, basically, I was pursuing civil engineering in my first year, and then see, it is related to your college stuff. So I would say that you can message me personally in for that, and if there's anything related to AMU Robo Club, I'm sure to help you out right now.
Well, I think that was the last question. If you have any more queries, you can mail us on our email ID or simply contact any joint coordinator. You will get their details on the app and the website both. So
Yeah.
thank you so much for your presence, everyone. We really appreciate it. Let's wrap up now. You guys can leave the meeting. Thank you.
You can contact anyone through the website.